Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I gotta make a new unboxing for today, and also these are from King Soopers, right? So they got some new tech. Okay, so they get some new techs and gadgets, and also everyday tech that I used to have it also, right? And it's also one of these is also a speaker, right? A Bluetooth speaker. I got also a mouse and also a USB rechargeable fan, electric fan. So mini portable electric fan. So portable, and also it's a clip on, right? So okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Gonna start up unboxing. Okay, so let's go. So I'm gonna have to show it first to you. Okay, we got the wireless mouse. Okay, and then also we've got the portable speaker right over here, and also we've got the GoFun Pro. Okay, so here it goes. And go. I'm gonna have to change the angle of the video, right, so that you can see this item. Okay. So okay everyone, I've got the new cell the dual connection LED wireless mouse, okay, for home and also in office. Okay, so what is this one? Smart accessories, sweet deals, right? And it's also just a couple of bucks, right? So this is not so $20 below tech, right? So from King Soopers. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to open this up. Okay, and then why is it so hard? Okay, so here it goes. Okay, let's go. Gonna open this. Okay, gonna have to try to open this up. Okay, and then here it goes. They got some new nice box, right? So okay, I'm gonna have to check it out. Okay, I'm gonna have to check this Bluetooth. Oh, this is a big one. Okay, this is a nice one. Okay, right. Okay, let's go. Gotta check it out. Okay, let's go. Gonna check this out. Oh, nice. Okay. It's similar, right? They are really pretty similar, right? Okay, let's check. Right, so similar to my other one, right? They're similar to my other one, rechargeable also, right? And also yes, very similar. Okay, so I think also as a USB-C charger. Okay, let's go. Gonna have to open this one right over there. So the USB charger is right over here, right? So then go is the USB-C, okay, cable, and then I've got some paperwork. So okay, you gotta have to put that paperwork right over there and go. Let's go. Gonna have to put that on. Okay, put that over here. So gonna have to keep this box. Okay, gonna have to keep the box. Alright, so okay, let's go on over to the next one. Okay, let's go to this wireless Bluetooth speaker. Okay, it's so hard for me to. Okay, here it goes. Okay, I'm gonna have to put it right there. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to check this one right over here. So I'm gonna open this up. Okay. Okay, still has a seal, right? So right. Okay, and then gonna have to open this one right over there. Okay, let's go. Gonna have to open this one. Okay, so this is from the acoustics, right? So I have a wireless earbuds also from acoustics, right? So we got a wireless portable speaker, high performance driver with full range sound. Yes, and then acoustics audio for all, right? You can see that. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to open this up, and then oh, nice. Okay, I love the design of this one, right? I love the design. Look at that. Okay, when you look at that, nice. Okay, oh, compared to my eyelid, right? So this is okay. This is my eyelid. right? This is my eyelid. So compared to this one, right, this is far by most like, and it's also they got some, you know, right over there. So mode, volume, right, and then play button, right? Okay, so nice, perfect. So got the USB-C. Oh, it's a micro USB, right? So micro USB. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to take the charger for this one. Okay. So here's the charger, right? Micro USB. So why, you know, some of the Bluetooth speaker, right, still support micro USB, right? So you know that kind of, right? So they are so still not so updated to the mic, to the USB-C, right? But I think this is good enough. So it's also my acoustics earbuds. My acoustics earbuds is also a micro USB, right? So okay, so that's one right over here. Go nice, and also a perfect one. So I cannot make a sample is because it is night over now, so I'm gonna have to, you know, write that one. Okay, and then gonna go over to this one. Okay, we got into the final for this one. So we've got right here, and it's also okay. Then it's also right over here for the USB GoPro fan, right? GoFan Pro. Okay, let's go check some. Okay, lithium power cordless fan, GoFan Pro, new and improved design. So offer office, for auto, and for home. Whisper quiet speed. So okay, what is this one? 360 degrees in any angle, right? So it can spin, right? 350 degrees smart spin technology, streams air in every direction. Desktop stand or clip. Okay, right over there. So you can see the specifications, right? Okay, right over there. So you can see that one. Okay, desktop stand or clip. Okay, I can put it as stand. Okay, includes GoFan, lithium rechargeable battery, and a recharging cable. Okay, so let's go kind of open this up and check it out. This box. All right. Okay, here it goes. This is okay. Here it goes, and this is the fan. Okay, you don't have to put that one. Okay, and then okay, so we've got right here the USB-C cable, USB-C already, right? USB-C cable, and here we goes. This is the fan, right? So it can put it in like that one. Yeah, you can put it like that, and then kind of have to turn it on, right? Okay, we've got the turning on right over here, right? So and then the charging port. Okay, and then also we've got the battery right over here, I think. Yeah, here it goes, rechargeable battery. So this is a rechargeable fan, and you can bring it anywhere. Either you are camping, so right, either you are camping or you are in a office, right? You can bring it in the office. So you're gonna share this one. Okay, so okay, here it goes. Yeah, it's cold, right? It's really cold. So this is the number one. You're gonna go to number, and also this is the number two, right? And then let's go to the head, to the number three, right? So nice. Yes, perfect, right? And then turn it off, right? So that is the turn off for that one. One is also, I really like this also, right? I really like this kind of fan. So you can clip on right onto the, it can clip on right into here. I have to click that off. Okay. 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 So here it goes. And okay, there it goes. Can clip onto the desk. Can clip onto the desk, right? And also I can put that one over here, right? So I can put that one right over there, since it's also, it can be also put as a desk fan, right? So okay, right? So okay. So okay, that's it, guys. So that's it for the unboxing for today, right? So and I hope you enjoy. So I'm gonna have so I'm gonna make a recap. So we've got the we've got the new wireless mouse, okay, and then also I've got a new Bluetooth speaker, right? Okay, and there's also we got this, yeah, we got this rechargeable fan, right? You can carry it anywhere on the go, right? So nice and perfect. You use it for camping also, right? It is also good for camping. All right. So right. So okay. So okay, I think that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy it, please. And please don't forget to subscribe and also click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more special guys. I'm gonna give you some of my good stuffs here in my channel. So okay, thank you so much for watching and have a good day, everyone.